Given what's happening at the border, why hasn't the Vice President visited yet?
Visited the border? I don't have any trips to outline or preview. What our focus is on is solutions and ensuring we have more beds, we're making the processing more efficient and effective, and that we are addressing this in a humane way that keeps these kids as safe as we possibly can.
Do you plan to visit the border?
Not today, but I have before, and I'm sure I will again. Yeah.
Well, it is no laughing matter, and I wish the Vice President and President would come to the border. I'd be glad to welcome them there, and so they can learn what I've learned talking to the experts of Border Patrol, Health and Human Services, as well as the local officials and stakeholders who are bearing the burden of this open border policy of this administration.
The VP today, because she's the most qualified person to do it, to lead our efforts with Mexico and the Northern Triangle and the countries that help. We're going to need help in stemming the movement of so many folks, stemming the migration.
What are your thoughts on her holding this position?
Well, I know the Vice President. We served together in the United States Senate. We sat on the Judiciary Committee together. I have great respect for her. But we have sharp disagreement on immigration. Putting the Vice President in charge of solving this problem, I don't know, it's like making El Chapo the drug czar. I mean, Kamala believes in open borders.
The president said yesterday he does not have plans to visit the border. Why not?
Because his focus is on action and taking actions and moving forward policies to ensure we are expediting the processing at the border, that we are opening more facilities, that we are putting in place policies that will move kids more quickly through the Border Patrol facilities, more quickly into safe and secure homes, and that's where his focus is.
He doesn't want to get a first-hand look down there himself and talk to officials there. How is he getting updates?
He talks to plenty of officials, and he also has received a briefing with photos and directly from his team who went and visited the border and went to a range of facilities.
How frequently is he getting updates on some of the numbers of people who are being taken in, and how frequently is he talking to officials that are down there who are getting that first-hand look?
Well, he's getting updates. I mean, sometimes it's a part of his PDB. He gets updates regularly. I mean, several times a week. It's an issue that is front and center for him. And certainly he's asking questions in a range of meetings with senior officials about progress that's made, about systems that he thinks should be unstuck, about looking for more creative ideas to help ensure these kids are treated, they are put into safe places, and that the work is expedited at the border.